Stop everything you're doing. If you think your kitchen is complete, you are wrong. We've found 10 gadgets on Amazon that are borderline genius, and honestly, some of them feel illegal to own because they make cooking too easy. We're talking about tools that slash prep time in half, solve problems you didn't know you had, and one specific gadget at number 7 that changes everything about how you cook dinner. Ready to upgrade your life? Let's dive in. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 1. Egg Cooker. First up, let's talk about the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. If you've ever cracked a boiled egg only to find it runny, or worse, gray and rubbery, you need this. It's a compact electric cooker that steams up to 6 eggs at once. You just poke a tiny hole in the shell, add water, and press a button. It does soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs perfectly every single time. It's perfect for busy parents needing quick breakfasts or meal preppers who need consistent protein without watching a pot boil. And here's the unexpected benefit. It actually peels easier. Because it steams rather than boils, the shell separates cleanly from the white, saving you from picking off tiny shards of eggshell. Number 2. Salad Spinner. Next, we have the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. I know a salad spinner doesn't sound groundbreaking, but hear me out. Wet lettuce ruins salads. The dressing slides right off, leaving you with a soggy, flavorless mess. This gadget uses a pump mechanism to spin your greens bone dry in seconds with just one hand. It's essential for health-conscious eaters who want restaurant-quality salads at home. But it's not just for lettuce. The unexpected hack here? Use it for washing berries or herbs. It's gentle enough not to bruise raspberries, but powerful enough to fling off all that excess moisture, meaning your expensive produce stays fresh in the fridge for days longer than usual. No more moldy strawberries. Number 3. Dumpling Mold. Number 3 is the automatic dumpling maker mold. Making dumplings from scratch is a labor of love, but mostly labor. This gadget changes the game by automating the crimping process. You place your wrapper and filling in the slot, press a button, and it seals the dumpling with a professional-looking crimp in 1 second. It's designed for home cooks who love Asian cuisine but don't have the dexterity or time for hand-folding dozens of wrappers. Why is this useful? Speed. You can crank out 100 dumplings in 20 minutes. The surprise benefit is consistency. Because the seal is uniform and tight every time, your dumplings won't burst open when you boil or fry them, keeping all that delicious juice inside. Number 4. Electric Cutter. Let's look at the 4-in-1 handheld electric vegetable cutter. This thing is like a mini food processor that you can aim directly at your pot. It slices garlic, chili, and onions instantly without you ever touching a knife. It's incredibly useful for avoiding smelly hands. No more garlic fingers for 3 days. It's perfect for people with arthritis or grip issues as it removes the strain of chopping. But wait, there's more. It comes with a cleaning brush attachment. That means after you're done slicing veggies into your stir fry, you can swap the head and use the motorized spin to scrub your cutting board or pans. It's a prep tool and a cleaning tool in one. Number 5. Duct Blower. Coming in at number 5 is something a bit different. A kitchen duct blower fan. If you have a small apartment or kitchen with poor ventilation, cooking steak or frying fish can leave your house smelling like grease for a week. This portable desktop range hood sucks in smoke and oil vapor, filtering it through activated charcoal before releasing clean air. It's a lifesaver for renters who can't install a real exhaust fan or dorm students cooking in tight spaces. The unexpected benefit? It actually reduces grease buildup on your cabinets and walls. By capturing the oil particles before they settle, you save yourself hours of deep cleaning sticky residue off your backsplash later. Number 6. Faucet Filter. Number 6 is a 360-degree rotating faucet filter. This isn't just about clean water, it's about workflow. This attachment screws onto your existing tap, filtering out chlorine and heavy metals. But it also features a pressurized spray mode. It's incredibly useful for blasting stuck-on food off plates before they go in the dishwasher. It's perfect for anyone living in areas with hard water who wants to protect their skin and improve the taste of their coffee. The cool part is the articulation. You can flip the nozzle upward to create a drinking fountain bubbler. No more craning your neck under the tap or dirtying a glass just to rinse your mouth after brushing your teeth. Number 7. Nut sheller. Here's the gadget I teased earlier, the heavy-duty nut sheller. If you love fresh walnuts, pecans, or macadamias, you know traditional crackers are a nightmare. They send shell fragments flying everywhere and often crush the nut meat inside. This lever action tool uses controlled pressure to crack the shell without destroying the kernel. It's weirdly satisfying to use. It's perfect for bakers who need whole nuts for decoration or snacking enthusiasts. The unexpected benefit? It works incredibly well on crab and lobster legs. Because you can adjust the pressure, you can crack the hard shell of a claw without smashing the delicate meat inside, making seafood night infinitely less frustrating and messy. Number 8. Gas cooktop. Number 8 is a portable camping gas cooktop, but don't let the name fool you, it's amazing for home use too. This single burner stove runs on butane canisters and offers high BTU heat control. It's useful for when you need an extra burner during Thanksgiving or for hot pot nights at the dining table. It's perfect for entertainers and outdoor enthusiasts. But the real reason you want this? Power outages. If the electricity goes out during a storm, this little gadget lets you boil water, cook soup, and make coffee safely indoors. It's a backup generator for your stomach. Plus, it heats up a wok faster than most standard electric glass-top stoves, giving you that authentic stir-fry char. Number 9. Frozen maker. Next is the instant frozen fruit serve maker. This turns frozen fruit into soft-serve ice cream in seconds. You feed frozen bananas, strawberries, or mangoes into the chute, and it churns them into a creamy, sorbet-like texture without any added sugar or dairy. It's a cheat code for parents trying to get kids to eat fruit, or for anyone who is lactose intolerant but craves dessert. It's useful because it utilizes overripe fruit you might otherwise throw away. The unexpected benefit involves texture. If you add a little bit of frozen yogurt or chocolate chunks, it blends them perfectly, creating a custom McFlurry-style treat that is significantly healthier and cheaper than the drive-thru version. Number 10. Rotisserie Kit. Finally, number 10 is the universal rotisserie kit for grills. This kit attaches to almost any gas or charcoal grill, turning it into a spit roast station. It includes a motor, a spit rod, and forks to hold the meat. Why is it useful? Rotisserie cooking self-bastes the meat as it spins, keeping chickens and roasts incredibly juicy while crisping the skin evenly. It's perfect for the backyard BBQ master who wants to impress guests. The unexpected benefit is that you can use a tumble basket attachment. This lets you roast vegetables, wings, or even coffee beans over the fire without them falling through the grates, giving everything a smoky, wood-fired flavor you can't get in an oven. So guys, and there you have it. 10 kitchen gadgets that prove we are living in the future. From perfectly peeled eggs to turning old bananas into ice cream, these tools are designed to save you time and sanity. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these would you actually use and which one seems totally unnecessary? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech finds. See you in the next one.